Amukira ngeithi ciakwa umuthi ari tariki 17 mweri-ini wa mugetho mwihoko wakwa wigutithia thayu na hwaini waku ni muhoreru ni twagiuka kiondo gitu kia mohoro ikiuhire tukiri tayari gukorwo tugikunengereria na gukuihurira maria matinda makihanika njitagwo Irimwa Wanjiru nake mutwathiri na njira ya ciko etagwo Sharon Mwari wa Gicuhi na njitikirie turike mohoro-ini maitu kuria kanitha wa PCA uria ukoragwo mwena wa Mathira guku ni kaunti ya Nyeri riu ni wikite ritana ria thayu kumana na uria gukoretwo na guthogwo kwa mishemanio ya muingi kumana na uteti makiuga maundu maya mathie na mbere gugakorwo atia hindi ya githurano giukite.
As a church, the Presbyterian Church of East Africa, we are looking at what is happening in the country and with a lot of concern. One, we are not very happy about how politics are unfolding in this country. There is a lot of intolerance. Like yesterday, there was a meeting in Kitengera called by the Secretary General of ODM, and within a very short time, the crowd looked very peaceful, but within a very short time, there was chaos. Tear gas was, lobbed into the crowd, and shortly after that, there was mayhem. Property was destroyed. People are injured. Why is this happening? Yet we are not in the election year. What will happen in 2027 if this is the pace? So we are very concerned. Our security agencies must ensure there is no more lawlessness, particularly coming from their side, because who else has tear gas other than the law enforcers? What had happened is that it was lobbed into a crowd that all along looked very peaceful. So government, security agencies, we are very concerned about that lawlessness. Only the other day in Othaya, a worship service was disrupted, again by people who we suspect are law enforcers, because we have not been proved otherwise. Why are these things happening? Those in the opposition, we urge you to be restrained, not to retaliate, not to feel like now you also need to arm yourselves, to arm your youth. Because in the course of doing that, a lot of young people are going to get hurt. People get killed for no good reason. There was even mention of demonstrations in the country by the opposition. We urge the opposition not to go that route. Much as demonstrations are covered in our constitution, but we know that sometimes they go out of control. And therefore we plead with the opposition not to go the demonstration route, but government must also take its part.
Na munini wa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Linda Kiome ni orite ayuthi a Meru gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari utongoria kana kuhimbiria utongoria wa bururi aritio hindi ya kunyithio muma kwa ayuthi matiganite athite na mbere na kuga ati mbeu njithi bari na ugi wa gikiro kia iguru na no makorwo makinyita itemi nene hari kuheana motaro matiganite kana mawoni maria mangikorwo ati ni maraguna thirikari cia kaunti na thirikari nene.
That I will faithfully and diligently serve.
That I will faithfully and diligently serve.
The youth of Meru County Assembly.
The youth of Meru County Assembly.
To support each other all the way from the world level all the way to the national level. We have so many young leaders nationally. Hata kina Babu Owino, right? Yeah. Si lazima tusimame na wao wase.
Your work has now Meru County Youth Assemblies. Umeona the county government has been doing public participation. Hiyo kazi ya kuenda kupeana maoni yenu, hiyo kazi ya kuenda kusema hii budget ya county ya next year, pesa ya youth iko wapi, unafanyia nini? That is the work that you're supposed to do. And so be on the lookout. You have your social media people. Unaonanga zile updates ambazo tunaweka kwa mitandao ya Meru County. Tafadhali ukiona hizo notices za public participation, now your responsibility is also being able to shape policy, shape governance, and also shape the future of the leadership of this county.
You have seen the County Assembly of Meru. The reason why the County Assembly of Meru is one of the most vibrant county assemblies in Kenya is because 70% of members of the County Assembly of Meru are young people. Are we together? So it is, ukiona mahali ambapo hakuna vijana, hata kama uko na campaign team yako na haina young people, utaanguka.
From today forward, our actions, our voices, and our decision must reflect the dreams of every young person in Meru. Those struggling with unemployment, those fighting for better education, and those yearning for leadership that listens. My administration will focus on 3 core pillars: empowerment, inclusion, and transformation. We will build a platform that provides opportunities for young people to thrive. We will ensure every word is represented, every voice is heard, and every talent is nurtured.
Na ruhonge rwa kurugamira wagiriru wa indo KEBS nirikanire ngirimiti na thukuru wa Kenya Industrial Training Institute uria uri kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ithenya-ini ria gutigirira arutwo aria marathomera kothi ya gucinira ni magia na certificate na gutigirira ati miako ni yako uria gugifatie. Oningi murugamiriri wa KEBS egwitwo Esther Ngari akiugite ati ni gukoretwo na hahu ya uria nyumba ciragwa kumana na gwakwo uria gutagirira.
KITI produces welders, then Kenya Bureau of Standards will be certifying them. The certification we will be doing through our certification body will be based on 2 international standards, ISO IEC 9606, which is on the training, which is on the certification of welders, and ISO IEC 17024, which is the certification of personnel. And these are global recognitions. Once KITI trains welders here at KITI, because they have the equipment, they have the expertise in terms of teachers, the trainers, then Kenya Bureau of Standards, we have the recognition in terms of accreditation to these 2 international standards. This is very important because our welders who are trained within the country can get jobs out of the country. They can also get jobs within the country. And for us as Kenya, because of the kind of projects that we are doing, we are currently, we've already currently installed SGR, we are looking at the expansion.
And that's why world all over, kuna kitu inaitwa standards. So ukifika ile kiwango ya hiyo standards, kama ni welder wa hapa, hata uende Uganda, uende America, utakuwa recognized ya kwamba you are accredited, tunaweza kuwa welder huko. Huo ndio umuhimu wa hiyo accreditation.
Na hau twakinya tugukorwo tugikiria oro hanini ndugathi haraya ni tugukorwo tugicokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wiki.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathinĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo memerekia, hospitality management nĩguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 kũrigania na TRM. No tũhũrĩre thimũ namba 0701 nĩyo 0701300071 kana no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya 5 barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia 5. tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitana na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Hihi nĩ ũrĩ waikio ngono nĩ abithaa wa birithi na ndũmenya kũnyitĩra kĩ? Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũĩ ihoto ciaku na hihi nĩ ũĩ atĩ wagi wa ũmenyo ndũngĩkũgitĩra kĩwatho?
Gatiba na watho wa bũrũri irabatara ũtaũku wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ona kuri uguo ni turikoragwo na giikaro na mawakili matiganite tugikuhe mweke wa gukurana uria watho ugite iguru rigi hoto ciaku na oho tugaguthomithia maundu maria ufatie no tafatie gwika kiwatho tugaguteithia guthathaura uria watho roiga uhoro-ini wigie uramati na ugai wa indo wandiki wa will na urihi wa magoti gatagati ka mangi maingi.
For the first time nitukureheire tabarira irikoragwo igikuruhania maundu maya mothe. Tabarira ino ya mwanya ukareherwo ni Francis Wairura. Nio muthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaini guku gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV utangimenya kuria umite ndungimenya kuria werekeire na nikio nie Wangari wa Kimani ndikurehagira ciaga tene thiini wa Kiheo TV. Hihi uri weyuria matura matiganite metirwo guo niki? Wa muhiano itura ria Gathara-ini, Githurai, Ting'ang'a, Kirigiti, gatagati ka maingi. Hihi ni uri weyuria uria maundu mekikaga na uria mekagwo na hau kabere? Nyitanagira na nie Wangari wa Kimani thiini wa tabarira ya nyimbo cia gatene tugakorwo tukirunga meri matatu tukiuhigania oro ndumwe na gucanjamuka na nyimbo cia gatene.
Donete tawariganiro atengai-ini wanyombire ire naguo mwisho wa mundu nikiambiriria gia kungai riria ni ndanyalirikite korwo ni thayo na gikeno oriri ndoritwo ni hinya Jehova yoke mwiyoko
eni ni kigoco kimurutio
niguo ndeinaga kehindira muthamaki.
Nyitanagira na nie MC John wa Githomo and the band.
Niguo ndeinaga haleluya kehindira muthamaki oya onyada.
Ririkana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku.
Mbeu ya Ngai ndiumaga mbeu ya Ngai ndiumaga mbeu ya Ngai ndicindagone mbeu ya Ngai ituragio no Ngai.
Na ningi no turumirire nenda-ini citu Kiheo TV na yakwa kiumbe John wa Githomo official.
Niguo ndeinaga kehindira muthamaki uria onyenda muno.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ ngatho twarikia gucokereria oro ringi munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki ni atongoretie mihang'o ya uheani wa taito kuri family 105 makiriria ciakorirwo ati ni ciahutirio ni muiyuro wa mai na ni thutha wa demu gutua mwena wa mai mahiu. Kindiki akiugite thirikari ni gwaka barabara ya Rironi ya Mau Summit undu uria ukunyihia muhatikano uria ukoragwo kuo na kuhingura matura.
Mengi sana atafuatwa na Francis Wawero Njoroge. Francis,
wenye walikuwa wamejenga wanapewa shamba, wenye walikuwa wamekondisha pia hao tunawashughulikia. Alafu wote 105 members of the public, 105 families, those who had built their houses, plus the 56 families that had rented buildings that were also destroyed. The entire group, 105 plus 56, the government of President William Ruto today is providing with you with 20,000 shillings ya kukusaidia kwenda kujenga mahali mnaenda. Wacha nirudie. familia zote zitapata ardhi. Wale walikuwa wamejenga na wale walikuwa wamekodisha. Familia zote zitapata pesa ya kuwasaidia kujenga. Wale walikuwa wamekodisha, wale walikuwa wamejenga. Na leo hiyo 20,000 for family ya kuwasaidia kwenda kujenga for 161 families. Mimi naacha hapa na Governor Susan Kihika.
Katika titling program through the county government ya Nakuru pia. Hapa Mai Mahiu town tunafanya titles so that wale wako na plots muwe na titles. Pale Old Kijabe tunafanya titles. Sawa sawa. Pale Longonot Peer Center tunafanya titles. Viwandani titles. Lakeview titles na Kafati. Kazi inaendelea haiendelei.
Leo Your Excellency, leo tuko na titles 105 ya wale watu waliathiriwa na hii mambo yenye ilifanyika hapa Mai Mahiu. Na Your Excellency, kuna wale watu ambao tumeelezwa utatupatia amri ndio tuweze tuone vile utafanya mambo yao. Na nataka niseme hivi, kila mtu ambaye anafaa kupata title zake, title zote ziko hapa. Na leo title tutapeana zote. Jana waziri tuliweza kuonyesha watu 30 mashamba zao. Leo tutaonyesha wale watakuwa wamechukua matitle mashamba zao na tutamaliza kesho. So kila mtu mwenye atakuwa na title yake by kesho jioni atakuwa ameonyesha shamba yake, aweze kufence shamba yake na aweze kujenga.
Na aikari a Mwenda Pole gukuni sub county ya Magarini ni marurunganite ni thutha wa maabitha a county gutuika kihiga hari gukinyaniria mihango ya kuhurukia endwao. Umwe wao ni Jackson Kazungu uria akiugite maraimirwo rutha rwa guthika mundu wa family hari mugunda uria marikitie guikara kwa ihinda ria miaka 5.
Tuko hapa sisi ni kubuka. Tuko hapa kushtumu tukio ambalo lilifanyika hapa kwetu. Yaani tulifelewa na mtu wetu na tukakosa ile haki ya kumzika. Kwanza kuna mzee wa kijiji, assistant chief na hata dio walifanya mambo ambayo hawakufuata sheria. Walikataza kwamba tuweze kuzika. Kuna mtu wetu alikufa ni Jonathan Baraka, mtoto wa mama Siasa Kahindi. Alikufa tarehe 2 mwezi huu wa pili. Lakini kufikia tarehe 13 kwa amri ya dio Philip Mwanyule akaleta order, akaweka order katika ile mochari ya Star Hospital kwamba mwili usitolewe. Hii ni tabia ambayo si nzuri na tunaikashifu kwa nguvu zote.
Sisi tulizikana hapa toka kitambo na hizi ni death certificate za watu kama 10 zaidi ya 10 ambao wamezikwa hapa. Hii ni ushahidi kamili. Lakini cha kushangaza wakati huu assistant chief amefika pale na mzee wa mtaa na chifu yao pia amefika pale, wakasema hakuna nafasi ya yule kijana aweze kuzikwa pale. Na kama mtu hapa ndiko kwenu, utaenda naye wapi? Ule mwili utopeleka wapi? Na hata zaidi ya yote dio akasema hiyo familia wakazungumze huko. Sasa hivi huyo dio amepatia mamlaka gani ama amepatia mahali gani kwa kwenda kumsikia ule mtu? Hii haya ni maonevu na hawa watu wanatumiwa na huyu bwenyenye.
Mzee wangu jana kusumbua sisi na chifu Angore isabu chifu, halafu na chifu wa Marereni na yule nini DC na dio wanaleta askari wao, halafu na yasinika kaburi. Tumechoka sisi kuonewa, tumechoka. Ruto na kuzika hataki watu wazikane. Ruto nataka hayo mambo uyatekeleze haraka kwa siku 7 yaonekane tupate haki yetu. Huyo DC na dio waondoe na huyo sabu chifu na chifu waende. Hatuwataki kabisa, hawatuwataki.
tunataka haki zetu. Mimi ni mzaliwa wa pale na langu mimi nasema siondoki pale. Kwa sababu kuna maneno yanayotoka kwa wewe, utakuja kuagiwa nyumba zitaondoshwa, sijui kutachingwa, hayo siyajui. Yule Muhindi wakati anaingia huku, sisi tulikuwa huku. Kwa nini yule Muhindi achukue hatua ya kututesa? Tunateseka Bwana Ruto, tunaomba usaidizi. Ninasikia uchungu sana kwa kijana wetu sasa tungeo tumezika jana. Bado ako mochari kwa ile tukio lilotokea pale kwetu. Sikupendezwa na hiyo hali. Naomba Bwana Ruto, kama unanisikia sauti hii, utusikie kilio chetu na wale viongozi wetu wanatutesa. Kama ni ile story ambayo umesikia ikiendelea, bado wanatutesa kwanza mzee wa muji paka huko kwa DC.
Kwa hivyo sisi kile ambacho tunataka uchukue hatua ya haraka, maana tumefika mwisho hivi sasa. Ikiwa askari yule ambaye tunasema anatulinda leo anakuja kutuletea magreda, ataka kutuvunja na kutuvunjia manyumba, je, haki yetu tutakuwa ni nani atakaye kutugombania? Kwa hivyo tuko hapa siku hii ya leo tukisema ya kwamba hivi sasa tunaona kuchelewa kwanza hizo siku 7.
Nigatho mwiroreri kunyitana na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa cihandire thaa ĩmwe thaa ici cirorete kwĩhanda na nuthu twĩkĩrĩre gaturumu hau nĩgetha tũkorwo tũgĩkũharĩria mangĩ maya na mangĩ maingĩ wona cihanda thaa 3. Njĩtagwo Irimwa Wanjiru, mũtwathĩi na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Sharon Mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ. Gĩa na hwaĩ-inĩ mũhoreru.